You know, babe, we never been on like an actual adventure. It's really annoying, right? Yeah, babe, I really want to go on an adventure with Jeffy. It's like, Jeffy's never been outside before. And like, his dog is right there. Yar, I really do want to go on an adventure one day, but we can never. Yeah, it's really kind of annoying. So, Jeffy, you want to go outside for the first time?
Of course I want to go outside. Let's go.
Okay.
All right.
Okay, let's get ready.
Let's get ready to go outside. Move, doggy. Move, doggy. Come on, let's go. We're finally outside.
Now that is amazing.